Trackezi, video tracking software. Enhanced with advanced easy-to-use dashboard. Having menu bar with advanced options. Workspace area for entering required experimental data. Functional area with start-stop option and other tracking options. Camera screen to track animal movement and mark the experiment zones. Timeline for easy playback control. Let's start small video demonstration. Input the software activation key. Accept the software license agreement. Enter the username and password and click on Go. Now you are ready to use software. You can either select a live camera to track animal activities in real time or choose a pre-recorded video. A test mode is also available for accuracy verification. For demo we have selected movie option. Elevated plus maze has been used for demo. Enter the name of maze in apparatus column. Let's proceed step by step through the menu options. Protocol. Enter the experiment number. Select the animal. Enter the group. Enter the gender of the animal. Weight of the animal. Age of the animal. Dose given to animal. Treatment number. Type of apparatus using for experiment. Investigator name. Calibration and ROI settings. To define arena, set ROIs, and for calibration. Define the arena using polygon shape. Define ROIs like open arm, closed arm, center arm. Select the rectangle shape to draw ROIs, or you can select other shape to monitor specific behaviors. You can define the multiple ROIs like open arm 1, 2, closed arm 1, 2 and center arm. Calibrate the system by aligning the ruler with the apparatus dimensions to ensure precise tracking. Behavioral setting. You can set logic to track behaviors like mobility, immobility, inactivity, freezing, rearing, grooming, curved up in TST, stretch out in TST. Parameter settings. Set up arena parameters, select from the list. Set up ROIs parameters, select parameters based on behavioral analysis. Behaviors parameters. Set up behaviors parameters, mobility, immobility, freezing, etc. Time bin parameters. Set up time bin measures, select time interval parameters for tracking. Test setting. Set up the base setting. Here you can set experiment basic settings. Animal settings. Select the correct animal and maze color. Adjust the noise threshold, and set body length for accuracy. Once tracking is correct, pause, reset to 0, and restart. Click Start Video Recording and Start Experiment to begin and ensure continuous tracking. Result. Trackezi's standout feature is real-time monitoring, with the Results tab providing live data access. Trackezi automatically records arena parameters, tracks detailed metrics for specific ROIs, including entries and exits, time spent, distance traveled, latency to first entry/exit, average and max speed, and initial distance from ROI. Trackezi records key behaviors like mobility, immobility, freezing, rearing, and grooming in specific ROIs. Time bin measures. Trackezi analyzes rodent behavior by dividing the experiment into time bins, tracking total distance, speed, rotations, and turn angles. Summary. Trackezi provides a short overall experiment summary. Charts. Trackezi provides real-time graphical insights on speed, head movements, rotation, and head brightness, visualizing each activity live. Charts per activity. Trackezi provides real-time graphical insights on speed, head movements, rotation, and head brightness, visualizing each activity live. Activity charts per arena. Trackezi delivers real-time graphical insights on speed, head movements, rotation, and brightness, combining all activity data in a single dynamic view. Entry and exit. The bar graph visually highlights the highest to lowest entry and exit in a specific ROI, with different arena zones color-coded. Time spent. The bar graph displays the time spent in each ROI within its respective arena. Press Stop All to stop the tracking. With Trackezi you can analyze the ongoing experiment's result charts. Trackezi continuously generates a heat map that visualizes the rodent's time spent in different areas, highlighting activity levels from highest to lowest. Trackezi provides detailed results and graphical data, including a tracking line image, with start and end points, heat map, and comprehensive parameters for arena, ROI, behaviors, and time bin recordings. The Open Graphs tab allows visualization of multiple metrics such as traveled speed, head movements, absolute rotation, and head brightness relative to the body. Trackezi automatically exports results to the Trackezi log folder within the admin folder, which contains the movie file, configuration file, heat map, camera image, start and end points, and an Excel sheet of results. The exported Excel sheet displays data separately for arena, ROIs, behaviors, and time bin measures. Here we conclude our demonstration. Thank you. For more details contact Orchid Scientific or mail us at office@orchidscientific.com.